Hi guys, in front of me is TCL 408 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. At first, open the settings, and then find and select Security and Biometrics, and here click on Fingerprint. Now set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. As you can see, I want to use pattern. So let's just enter it twice to confirm it. That will be the second method to unlock your device. After that, you need to decide how you wish to have your notifications be displayed. Then tap on Done, and now click on Add Fingerprint. So as you can see, a fingerprint sensor is located on power button. So all you have to do is to keep tapping on this power button till your fingerprint is fully added. Here you will be able to observe the progress. So just keep tapping, lift your finger up, then place it on the sensor, and it will be done. And that's it. As you can see, now you can click on Done, and from now on, just unlock your device with this fingerprint only, or you can use the backup pattern that we set, so smoothly slide it up, and then provide pattern, pin code or the password, whatever you set. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.